Okay, hello students, welcome to all. Let's start the class from quiz number 10, literature. Complete the following smileys with the help of the picture clues. As helpless as a dash. Answer is babe, because they gave some pictures. They gave some pictures in your book. Just see the pictures. See the pictures and find the answers. As helpless as a dash, babe. In the picture, the following pictures, you just see that which one is the helpless? Is the babe. Babe is can't do anything by their own. So babe. As proud as a dash. Big peacock. Answer is peacock. The peacock had some proud. தாந்தா அழகு அப்படின்ற சொல்கிறதுக்கு சொல்லுவாங்க கர்வம் அப்படின்னு. ஸோ peacock. As red as a cherry. Cherry is red in color. As red as a cherry. As blind as a bat. As blind as a bat. As blind as a bat. Bat can't see anything because it is a blind. It moves only by the radiations only. Goes only by the radiations. So as blind as a bat. As crafty as a dash. Fox. The crafty is a fox. It is a very crafty animal. Or tandramana animal. So crafty as a fox. Okay, and then second is that mathematics and science. Mathematics and science, the first session is that identify the illustrated apparatus used in the laboratories. We are going to identify that name by this picture, the help of this picture. The first one is a stand. You know that this is a stand. What is the name of the stand? It's a tripod stand. This stand is used to heat the chemical. இது வந்து அடியில வச்சிட்டு ஒரு பேஸா வச்சிட்டு இதுக்கு மேல wire gauge வைப்பாங்க. Wire gauge is the second picture. We place above the wire gauge above the stand. Then we heat that chemical with the help of the burner. Burner வச்சு அடியில burner வச்சு heat பண்ணுவாங்க. And then the third one is the graduated jar. The graduated jar is used to measure that liquid items. நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஒரு இது measure பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா it is a measurement tool. And then last one is it's a stand. It's a clamp stand. It hold the things. என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறோம் அந்த ஒரு C மாதிரி இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? It hold the things. Answer the following. The first one. How many squares are there in the following figure? You are going to find how many squares in the following figure. I mentioned the number inside the picture because we are going to identify it easily. So I mentioned it. How many squares? First the 9 square is there. 9 square is there. We are going to find how more squares are there in this picture. Just see that 9. You already count the 9 squares. Then 1, 2, 4, 5. This is also the square. 1, 2, 4, 5 is a square. We just say that 10. It's a number 10. 2, 3, 5, 6 is that number 11. 4, 5, 7, 8 is that number 12. 5, 6, 8, 9 is that number 13. And the total box, the biggest square is that number 14. So the total number of square is 14. How many triangles are there in that following figure? I wrongly mentioned it's a square. It's a figure. Okay. First the biggest triangle. First one is the biggest triangle. Second, the first part. You just split the triangles two half. Second 2, 3, and then that crossed we had one line. 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 triangles are there. And find the missing number in the box. We are going to find the missing number. Okay, first you see the second line of this tabulation. Second line 12, 12, 16. We are going to subtract the second line from the second line to the first line. What is the answer? 12 minus 7 is the 5. 16 minus 8 is the 8. Then 12 minus 6 is that 6. Okay, then social studies, the first question. Fill in the blanks, the first question. The local animal and plant life of a place or referred to as dash and dash of the place. We are going to find that animal or animal அப்படினால நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் அப்படினா fauna. Plant life is that flora. Flora is a plant, fauna is the animal. We are going to refer that name. Flora is a plant that occurring in a particular region or time. Is a plant, it will be occur in the particular region or the time. Fauna is in the is all of the animal life of any particular region or time. Okay. Afforestation is a process where trees are dash. Afforestation. Okay, wait. What is a deforestation? Deforestation means spoil that forest. We cut all the trees and spoil the forest is a deforestation. Afforestation is the opposite word of deforestation. Then that word is that planted. We planted the trees. The Koyna Dam is built across the river. Which river? The Koyna Dam is built across the which river? Krishna. Buddhism originated in dash. Buddhism originated in the country India. Then India was under the dash rule before 15th August 1947. India was a country, it was under the rule of British. Okay, general knowledge, the first is the tick the right choice. Behind every fable there is a dash to be learned. The fable is the kattukadai அப்படினு சொல்லி சொல்லுவாங்க. We don't know that truth of the moral stories. We know lots of the moral stories, we know that, but we don't know that truth. இப்போ நான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்கிறேன். இப்போ சிங்கம் வந்து இந்த கதை உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும். சிங்கத்தை வந்து எலி காப்பாற்றுனுச்சு, இந்த கதை உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும். But we don't know it is happened or not. It was happened or not, we don't know that. But is it a fable? Every fable there is a moral. இந்த ஸ்டோரியிலேயே என்ன பண்ணால் ஒரு moral இருக்குது. ஸோ ஃபேபிள் ஸ்டோரியில் ஒரு moral. Okay, capital of Greece is dash. Athens. According to Hindu mythology, dash is worshipped as goddess of wealth. Who is considered as a goddess of wealth? Lord Lakshmi. Lakshmi. According to the Bible, dash was famous for his wisdom. King Solomon. Solomon king. Very few kings are popular in the Bible, including the Solomon. Solomon is a எப்படி சொல்ல ஒரு wise king. Solomon is a very wise king and கடவுளுக்கு பயந்த ஒரு அரசர். Is a very famous for his wisdom. The biggest mosque in India, the Jama Masjid, was built by Akbar. The Jama Masjid mosque was built by the King Akbar. Okay, thank you students for watching this video. Thank you.